this insulation, one key thing about the insulation industry really needs to know about is this thing called thermal bridging. I tell you, thermal bridging is bad. I spent my entire childhood under a thermal bridge and it killed me. It almost killed me, okay?
We're gonna make this house out of hemp.
All right, Dan and Lenny, we did the initial test in with Corbett Lunsford, and it's a pretty
Who's
leaky
this
house. I
Corbett
think there's
guy?
some room for opportunities.
It doesn't get cold down there in the winter, right?
Oh my God. Oh my
All right,
God.
you know-
You people from up north are always saying how cold it is up there, and we never get cold down here.
I mean, if we want the option and it's the dead of the winter, if we run around the house naked, we'd love to have that option. And the only way to do that is to put the jacket on the house.
We don't eat our flannels. We actually
What are
wear
you
our
a
flannels.
what are you a
That is
lumberjack?
vapor open.
Hey,
So Lenny, what are
Hey.
you trying to do? You're doing passive house in Atlanta?
listen. Here's the thing about in the summertime, okay? It gets up to 175 degrees out there, okay? Have you ever been in an attic that's 250 degrees?
Hey, Dan, I gotta pee. Just 1 minute. You keep talking. Keep talking.
Okay.